What's one thing you can do today for your wellness and well-being? What's one thing you can do today for your wellness and well-being? It's spend time in nature. Next time you have a day off, a weekend, long weekend, or perhaps even a work trip, instead of rushing in and rushing out of the airports and to your meetings and back, take half a day extra, take 1 day extra, search for a spot. So like this, I'm in Utah and I took a day trip to Donut Falls. Find water and sit, listening to the water flowing. Let the energy in you flow. Breathe in fresh air and let that bring a smile on your face. I'm coming out refreshed, rejuvenated, re-energized, de-stressed, and with a big smile. So don't forget to take out time, spending time in nature for your wellness and well-being.